Okay, so today I'm just going to show you what we've been working on, a project at in Accra, Lakeside Estate. So actually we are done with the socket, the installation of sockets, switches, air conditioner switches, and those things. So we are actually working or doing the lights fixtures now. Mainly, we are not doing anything like fluorescent or those stuffs. We are mainly doing LED lighting. Okay, so there's a walkway. There's a walkway. Okay, so it's spanned to the end. Okay, so there is a family area there. Okay. This will serve as a family area. There's going to be a set of living room furniture here. Okay, so the lighting system is a very simple one. So when there's a door, so we are going to enter through the door. Okay, so when the door swings to this side, so there's a switch right here. The switch controls the light. So when you entering from the main door, you can turn on the light and you can turn off the light at the same time. So, and also there's the bed side where the bed will be positioned. So the head side of the bed. So here too. Okay, this side, the bed side as well. You can turn on the light and turn off the light here as well. So this is a two-way switch. So when you are on the bed, you don't have to get up before you go to the entrance or the door before you turn on the lights. Okay, so there's a bedroom. There's a bedroom. Okay, there's the restroom or the washroom. Okay. Okay, so it comes with ceiling LED spotlight and also an LED strip. We are yet to fix that one. Okay. And there's some other couple of things that okay, so we have this here. So there's a three-phase consumer unit or distribution board. It's for the 220-volt system. So actually, this house it's a dual power system. So we have the 220 volts and we have the 110 volts. So the single phase consumer unit or distribution board is for the 110 volt system, and this for the 220 volt system. Okay, so we're going down. We're going downstairs. Okay, so there's a very big space here. Okay, so this actually serves as a living room. There's some portion for living room, and the other side, the far end there, it's for the kitchen. So there's the ceiling lights here. There's going to be extra 3 hanging lights here. There's an island here. So there's going to be These hanging lights here. Hanging lights here in the kitchen, right on the island. Okay. 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 So this side is the main living room from the main entrance. Okay. So these are the ceiling lights. It also has LED strip. We are yet to install those stuff. Okay, so this all part of the living room. This all part of the living room. Okay, this all parts of the living room. Okay, so there's the porch from the main entrance. There's the porch. There's a restroom for guests. Okay, so this is a very quick one. I just uploaded, or I'm just uploading this video. Just uploading this video to tell you where we are getting to with various projects. So if you need us to come check out your electrical work for you, you can contact us. We'll put our number there. We are right here in Accra, actually Accra, but we move around. We wherever you call us in Accra, Tema, we'll be right there to work on your project for you, and also in Cape Coast and most parts of Central region. When you call us, we'll be there. Okay, so I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.